यूं के कहने पर ही अपनी सीट के नीचे रखी जैकेट को निकालें, खोलें और दोनों हाथों में पकड़कर सिर के ऊपर ले जाकर पहन लें। टेप को कमर के पीछे से सामने लाएं और कसकर बांध लें। जैकेट अब प्रयोग के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। जैकेट में हवा भरने के लिए लाल नॉब्स को उस तरह खींचें जैसा कि आपको दिखाया जा रहा है। यदि जैकेट में हवा कम हो तो लाल नली में मुख से हवा भरें। बच्चों के लिए केवल एक ही नॉब खींचें। तब तक जैकेट में हवा न भरें जब तक आप विमान से बाहर नहीं निकल जाते। विमान के उड़ान भरते तथा उतरते समय कैबिन लाइट धीमी कर दी जाएंगी। रीडिंग लाइट आपकी कुर्सी के ऊपर है। किसी भी प्रकार की जानकारी के लिए कृपया कैबिन कर्मी से संपर्क करने में संकोच न करें। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now brief you about exits and safety equipment in the aircraft. There are 8 exits in the aircraft, 2 doors in the front, 4 doors in the middle, and 2 doors at the rear. All the exits can be easily identified by the exit signs and floor path lighting. The seat belt is fastened by connecting the metallic ends and pushing together. To adjust the belt, the loose end may be pushed or pulled as demonstrated. For unfastening, lift the metal clip and pull apart. Oxygen masks are placed in the overhead units. In case of a fall in cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will drop automatically. Pull the mask towards you. This action releases the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask and breathe normally. The mask can be secured with the help of the elastic band as shown. After you have secured your own oxygen mask, please attend to children and others seated next to you who may need help. Passengers seated next to the emergency exit are requested to read the operating instructions carefully. In case of any objection, please contact the cabin crew. Each seat is provided with a life jacket which is stored in a casing below your seat. In an unlikely event of the aircraft landing on water, only on receiving instructions from the cabin crew, remove the life jacket from the casing. Hold the jacket with both hands and pass it over your head till it rests comfortably. Bring the tape around the waist and fasten the belt tightly. The jacket is now secure and ready for use. To inflate the jacket, pull the red knobs as demonstrated. For topping up any escaped air, blow into the red tube. For children, pull down only one knob. Please do not inflate the jacket until you are out of the aircraft. The main cabin lights will be dimmed for takeoff and landing. You may switch on the reading light on the overhead panel. For any further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact the cabin crew.